Ever wondered how Hollywood's biggest night comes together? Who decides which film gets the golden ticket to Oscar glory? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the Academy Awards and decoding the mysterious process behind the nominations. The Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, or simply the Academy, is the driving force behind the Oscars. It's a massive organization with over 10,500 members, including actors, directors, writers, and film professionals. Membership isn't open to just anyone. You must be sponsored by two existing members or receive an automatic invite if you're nominated for an Oscar. The Academy itself is split into 17 branches, each representing specific professions like acting, directing, or costume design. Each branch of the Academy handles nominations for its own category. For instance, actors nominate actors, directors nominate directors, and so on. But there's one big exception: Best Picture. In this category, all voting members across all branches participate. For categories like Best Actor, each voter submits a list of up to 5 nominees. For Best Picture, they can submit between 5 and 10 nominees, ranking their choices in order of preference. This is where the math gets tricky. A magic number is calculated to determine how many first choice votes a nominee needs to secure a spot. Here's how it works. Take the total number of ballots in a category divided by the number of nominees allowed and then add 1. If a nominee reaches or exceeds this number of first choice votes, they're in. For instance, if 333 votes are needed and Colin Farrell gets 337 first place votes, he's officially nominated. If no one reaches the magic number, the candidate with the fewest votes is eliminated. Their ballots are then reassigned to the second choice nominee on those lists. This redistribution process continues until all slots are filled. This system ensures that every vote counts and that the nominees represent broad support across the Academy. The process for choosing the Best Picture winner is even more intricate. It uses a ranked choice voting system. Voters rank all the nominated films in order of preference. If no film gets more than 50% of first place votes, the film with the fewest votes is eliminated. Its votes are then redistributed to the second choice selections, and this continues until one film gets a majority. This ensures the Best Picture winner isn't just a favorite of a niche group but is widely liked by the majority of voters. After the nominees are decided, voting for the winners begins. At this stage, all Academy members vote in every category, regardless of their profession. Votes are submitted online, and the accounting firm PricewaterhouseCoopers tallies the results. Only two PwC partners know the winners before they are revealed live on Oscar night. This secrecy is guarded fiercely to maintain the event's suspense. Despite all the safeguards, human error isn't impossible. Remember the 2017 Best Picture mishap? Warren was handed the wrong envelope, leading to La La Land being announced as the winner instead of Moonlight. PwC has since tightened its procedures to prevent such mistakes. The Oscars are more than glitz and glamour. They're a culmination of rigorous processes and careful voting by thousands of film experts. So the next time you see an acceptance speech, remember the long journey it took for that winner to hold the golden statue. Stay tuned for more entertainment insights and updates.